Hey everyone, in today's video I'll quickly run through how to add a clock widget to Notion. I'll show you this in a web browser. First, you need to get the embed code from a third-party widget service. Open a new browser tab and head to a Notion widget provider. Popular options include Indify or widget template galleries. Once the page loads, you'll see different clock styles available to choose from. Next, if the service offers customization options, pick your preferred clock style and colors. You'll see a live preview update as you choose your settings. Some providers let you adjust the clock face design, text color, background, and size. Now copy the embed URL. Look for a copy button or a text field displaying the URL. It's usually positioned right below the widget preview. Click the copy button, and you should see a confirmation message that it's been copied to your clipboard. Switch over to your Notion workspace and open the page where you want the clock to appear. Once your page is open and ready, click into the body area where you want to add the widget. Type /embed, that's /embed. As soon as you type the slash command menu will pop up at your cursor. You'll see embed listed in the drop-down menu. Press enter or click on embed in that menu. An embed input box will appear, prompting you to enter a URL. Paste your copied widget URL into that input field, that's Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. You'll see the full URL appear in the box. Now press enter or click the embed link button next to the input field. The clock widget will load and display directly on your Notion page. Give it a couple of seconds to fully load and render. If you want to resize the clock, hover your mouse over it. You'll see black bars appear on the sides of the embed. Those are the resize handles. Click and drag them inward to make the clock smaller or outward to make it larger. To move the clock to a different spot on the page, hover over it again and look for the 6-dot icon on the left edge. Click and drag that icon to reposition the widget anywhere you want on your page. You can also drag it into columns alongside other content if you're building a dashboard layout. The clock will update automatically in real time. If you want to change the style later, head back to the widget provider and generate a new URL with different settings. Then hover over your clock in Notion, click the 3-dot menu, select Replace, and paste the new URL. The widget refreshes itself every time you reload the page, so the time stays current even if you leave Notion open for hours. And that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.